This video will demonstrate how to manage manual supplier credits in Minfos. This process is for credits that are not sent electronically via the PharmX gateway. There are 5 steps that need to be completed in this process. Step 1. Apply for a credit to the supplier. Step 2. Create a credit adjustment invoice. Step 3. Print the credit adjustment invoice. Step 4. Complete the credit adjustment invoice. And Step 5. Reconcile amounts once the supplier credit has been received. Step 1. Apply for a credit to the supplier. This is a process external to Minfos. Depending on the supplier, there may be different methods of applying for a credit. Contact the supplier for guidance if you are unsure. Step 2. Create a credit adjustment invoice. Complete the invoice that the product or products to be credited are on as per their normal process. Products to be credited should not be deleted from these invoices. Then you are ready to create the credit adjustment invoice. From Stock Manager, click Order Maintenance. Then click Add. In the Order Entry window, enter the name or code of the supplier that the credit is for. Enter the invoice number that the product was supplied on with a leading letter C for credit. Add a description of the order and the credit reference number if this is available. Then click Add to add the products to be credited. Add the products via PDE, product code, barcode, or description. Enter a minus sign followed by the quantity to be credited. Enter the unit cost that is to be credited. The unit cost will default to the last buy cost and therefore may not need to be updated. Then click OK to save. Repeat these steps until all products have been added. Then click Cancel to close the Order Detail window and return to the Order Entry window. Click OK to save the credit adjustment invoice. Step 3. Print or save the credit adjustment report. In the Order Maintenance screen, highlight the order and click Print. In the Report Type window, Purchase Order Format and Show Prices are selected by default. These should remain selected as Show Prices will display the unit cost for each product on the report. This makes it easier for you to reconcile credit amounts when you receive the credit from the supplier. Click OK to run the report. Click Print to print the report or Close to export the report and save as an electronic copy. The report should be filed until the credit is received. Step 4. Complete the credit adjustment invoice. The created credit adjustment invoice should be completed immediately after a credit has been applied for through the wholesaler or direct supplier. This will ensure that your stock on hand quantities are correct and avoid issues when generating orders. The credit adjustment order should be completed like a standard manual order. Highlight the credit adjustment order and click Issue. Then, with the credit adjustment order still highlighted, click Received. Click Yes on the Receive Order prompt to continue. Then click Complete. Check that the information displayed in the order confirmation window is correct. Then click OK. Click Yes to complete the order. Step 5. Reconcile after the supplier credit is received. After you have received a credit note or statement from the supplier, you can reconcile the credit. Cross-reference the credit amount received from the supplier against the credit adjustment invoice completed in Minfos. If the amounts match, the credit adjustment report can be filed as reconciled or disposed of. If there is any discrepancy, contact the supplier. It is recommended that you follow up on any outstanding credit adjustment reports at the end of each month. For further information about supplier credits in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.